What is up, everybody? Got something sort of new on the table. These have been around for a while. It took me forever to find one of them. Let's take a look, see what's inside the box. These are advertised as cell phone size rock crawlers. They are a kit. Instruction book. Box is way bigger than the rest of it. Here are the tires. Very small, as you can see. You do have tools, screwdriver, a couple wrenches, and some very, very tiny screws. I don't know if you can see those in there. They are tiny. Got a little screwdriver in there. Chassis. Brass gears. Transmission. And here are your suspension links. As you can tell, very, very small. And suspension parts. There are your drive shafts, axle shafts, axle pieces. They do have ball bearings, which is pretty impressive. Here are the shock pieces. Very small. Let's take a look at the body. Bumpers, windshield. There's body. Excellent detail. It's not licensed, but it does have a very similar look to an F-150. As you can tell. This is a Samsung Galaxy S4, and as you can tell, it is pretty close to a cell phone size rock crawler. These parts are very tiny. I don't know how in the world I could film putting it together, but I'll take a shot at it. Maybe do a high-speed video or something like that. And I also have a speed controller. This comes with small LED bulbs and wires for headlights and taillights, but they do all have to be soldered together. You have a little motor. And also a very small servo. I mean a small servo. And it do have a 2-cell, or 2S I should say, LiPo, 260 milliamp hours. Probably get a decent run time on something this small as that. It does have a balancer for a charger on it. And I also have a set of leads for my charger. Picked this up at my local hobby shop, Anderson RC, down in Thomasville. If you're ever in central North Carolina, check them out. It's a great hobby shop. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. It's just a great place with got great employees, full service hobby shop. And I hunted around when I heard about these. I hunted all over the internet for them. Couldn't find it anywhere. Went into their store and there it was. This will be a upcoming project. Let's take a look at the manual here. Pretty straightforward. There's a layout of all your parts. It does come with tools, screwdriver, 2 wrenches that you need, sticky tape and grease. Looks pretty straightforward. instructions seem pretty clear. That's the important thing. Definitely made in China. Let's see, other than part numbers, everything else is Chinese characters. As long as I can follow the pictures, I'll be alright. Looks pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Shows the lengths on your lengths for the suspension. The longest one being 33 millimeters. That'll tell you how small the thing is. Looks pretty decent. They do have two different motor options. I think one gives you a little bit more speed than the other one. Doesn't. Okay, this one is the 300 RPM motor. And I believe they have a 400 or 350 RPM is the other one. I'm not sure. And they do have accessories available. They actually have little tiny machined aluminum shocks for them. Like I said, the body's got quite a bit of detail. Side mirrors, little windshield wipers. Even looks like the tailgate opens on it. I mean, that's pretty good for something 1/35 scale, size of your cell phone. But it'll be a fun little project. They have a couple other bodies available, a couple other kits available, including this little guy, little Jeep Wrangler. This one I ordered from Asia Tees, and like I said, there's a lot of accessories. I believe the other one they have is a Mitsubishi Montero SUV, I think, and basically the same kit. Slight difference. This one has, I can find them here. This one has little metal chassis rails, and they're going to be a lot of fun. Here's the body for it. It is a tiny little thing, but it does loaded with detail right down to the hood latches, door handles, side mirrors, and everything else. So pretty cool little projects. Take a little bit of work, something that small. And, but coming up sometime here in the future, we'll get one of them together and see how they do. I heard they actually work pretty good. They have different tires available, different wheels available. I think a set of tires is like around $4 US, somewhere around there. Fairly inexpensive stuff. You know, cold winter day, crawl around on your desk with it, something like that. But it'll be coming up in the not too distant future, I hope. So until next time, I'm out.